Algebra. Given 4 into cos square theta plus sin theta is equal to 5. 4 1 minus cos square 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta. 4 minus 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 1. Minus 4 sin theta minus 4 sin theta plus 1. Then 2 sin theta whole square minus 2 into 2 sin theta into 1 plus 1 square and minus 0 square. 2 sin theta minus 1, 2 sin theta 1, sin theta is equal to half sin 30, theta is equal to 30, sin theta is equal to sin 30, sin 150, 180 minus 30, sin 150. Theta is equal to 150. Was this realizes and all web progressive minus civilization. I must be grateful to you. Please subscribe me. Thank you. Please subscribe me.